Hello, everybody. Casey Roberts here with some big news. Just about an hour ago, there was a bird that came into our house. It flew around for about 5 minutes, and then it finally decided to fly away. What happened was, maybe like around 5 o'clock. It came into the chimney. It actually flew into the chimney. Uh, and then all of a sudden, the hatch at the bottom came open and he flew into our living room of the house. So I would say, tell me in the comments, did a bird fly into your house? So that's all there is. I won't be making any more videos. This is a heads up. I won't be making any more videos until maybe July 9th. I am not really that sure. I'm heading to Metairie to play some laser tag. So I would say, leave a comment, subscribe, and like this video. And I will be seeing you guys on July 9th.